Your Ultrafeed sewing machine was thoroughly oiled prior to shipping it to you, but we recommend oiling it frequently. To more easily access all the places to oil on your machine, use a screwdriver to unscrew and remove the top and side covers. Remove the top cover by unscrewing and removing the 2 screws holding it in place. To remove the side cover, first unplug the integrated light. Then loosen the 2 screws holding it into place just enough to slide the cover off. You won't need to fully remove these screws. In the guidebook, you will find a detailed diagram of places to oil on your machine. But a quick and simple way to remember where to oil is to run your machine and notice any part that has metal on metal movement and oil those places. Along with any metal on metal movement, there are also a few oil ports which are important to remember. After you have fully oiled your machine, it is best practice to run the machine with some scrap fabric to get any excess oil out. First, reinstall the machine covers. We will reinstall them in the reverse order that we took them off. So we're going to slide the front cover back on and tighten those 2 screws. Then we'll plug in the integrated light. Next, place the top cover back on and reinstall the 2 screws holding it into place. Then, with your machine unthreaded and a piece of scrap fabric under the foot, run the machine for a short period of time in both forward and reverse at full speed. This will help guarantee that any excess oil won't get on your project. For good maintenance of your machine, you should oil it approximately every 8 hours of use. You should also oil it before it's put in storage or anytime your machine sounds like it's running roughly. If your machine will be used or stored in a harsh environment, lubricate the working parts of the machine with oil before storage and before each use. Routinely oiling your machine will keep it running smoothly and ensure superior machine performance.